The Parable of the Broken Engine. A giant steamship's engine failed, and the ship's owner couldn't get it to start. They brought in an expert after expert, but no one could figure out how to fix it. Finally, they brought in an old mechanic. The mechanic arrived carrying a small bag of tools. He walked around the massive engine room, looking at the maze of pipes and valves. He listened to the silence for a few minutes, then reached into his bag and pulled out a small hammer. He walked over to a specific red valve and gave it a single, gentle tap. Immediately, the engine sputtered, hissed, and roared back to life. The ship was fixed. A week later, the owners received a bill from the mechanic for $10,000. The owners were outraged. "You were only there for 15 minutes, they complained. Send us an itemized bill." The mechanic sent back a new invoice that read, "Tapping with a hammer, $1. Knowing where to tap, $9,999.